Yo, what's up everybody? It's Tech Crush here, back with another video. Today we're diving into the world of cybersecurity. We're talking about protecting your privacy, your identity, basically your whole digital life. Think about it, we're living more and more of our lives online, banking, shopping, connecting with friends, you name it. So, in this video, we're breaking down the essentials of cybersecurity, giving you the knowledge and the tools to stay safe online. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Before we jump into the solutions, let's understand the playing field. The digital landscape is vast and ever-changing, and so are the threats that come with it. The threats are real and come in all shapes and sizes. From sophisticated hacking groups to lone wolf cybercriminals, the danger is omnipresent. We're talking phishing scams, where hackers try to trick you into giving up your personal info through fake emails or websites. These scams can be incredibly convincing, often mimicking trusted sources. Then there are data breaches, where hackers break into company systems and steal massive amounts of user data. These breaches can lead to severe financial and reputational damage for businesses. And of course, we can't forget about malware, those nasty little programs designed to wreak havoc on your devices. Malware can come in many forms, including viruses, ransomware, and spyware. By understanding the threats, by knowing what to look out for, you're already one step ahead of the game. Awareness is the first line of defense in cybersecurity. We're going to equip you with the tools and the knowledge to navigate the digital world safely and securely. This includes using VPNs, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your software up to date. Because the truth is, while the threats are real, so are the solutions. There are numerous strategies and tools available to protect yourself and your data. Stick with me, and we'll make sure your digital life is locked down tight. Together, we'll build a fortress around your digital presence, ensuring you can navigate the online world with confidence and peace of mind. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. The first line of defense in your cybersecurity arsenal: passwords. Strong, unique passwords are non-negotiable in today's world. Think of your passwords as the keys to your digital kingdom. Instead, opt for longer, more complex passwords that include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. And here's a pro tip: don't use the same password for multiple accounts. Password managers generate and store all your passwords securely, so you only need to remember one master password. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and keep those passwords strong. Alright, so you've got your strong, unique passwords locked and loaded. Now let's take it up a notch with two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short. Think of this as adding a second layer of security to your accounts, like a security guard standing outside the door even after you've unlocked it. Even if someone manages to get their hands on your password, they'll still need a second factor to access your account. This second factor is usually a unique code sent to your phone or email, or maybe a fingerprint scan or facial recognition. Most online services offer it these days, so head over to your account settings and turn it on. You'll thank me later. We've all been there, right? You're at the coffee shop, the airport, or maybe even the library, and you desperately need to jump online. It's so easy to just connect to the available public Wi-Fi and get things done. Public Wi-Fi is super convenient, but it can also be a major security risk. While it offers the ease of access, it comes with hidden dangers. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured, which means your data is vulnerable to interception by hackers. These cybercriminals can easily access your personal information, passwords, and even financial details. So what's the solution? One word: VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, is your best defense against these threats. A VPN encrypts your connection, making it virtually impossible for anyone to snoop on your online activity. It creates a secure tunnel for your data, ensuring your privacy. Imagine you're sending a postcard with your deepest, darkest secrets written on it. Without protection, anyone can read it. A VPN is like putting that postcard in an envelope, sealing it tight, and sending it through a secure courier service. This way, only the intended recipient can read it. There are tons of VPN services out there, both free and paid. It's important to do your research and find one that suits your needs. Choose a reputable provider and make sure your VPN is active whenever you're connected to public Wi-Fi. This simple step can save you from a lot of potential trouble and keep your data safe. Okay, let's talk about phishing scams. These are sneaky little traps designed to trick you into giving up your personal information. Phishing scams can come in many forms, but the most common is through emails. You might receive an email that looks like it's from your bank, your favorite online store, or even a friend or family member. The email address might be slightly off, there might be typos or grammatical errors, or the message might create a sense of urgency, pressuring you to take action immediately. Never, ever click on links or download attachments from suspicious emails. If you're unsure about an email, go directly to the source. Remember, legitimate companies will never ask for your personal information via email. I know, software updates can be annoying, but trust me on this one, keeping your software updated is crucial for maintaining a strong cybersecurity posture. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. So, whether it's your operating system, your web browser, your apps, or your antivirus software, make it a habit to install updates as soon as they become available. And hey, if you're really feeling adventurous, you can even enable automatic updates so you don't have to think about it at all. Stay updated, stay protected. Social media, it's become an integral part of our lives, right? We wake up and the first thing we do is check our feeds. It's almost like a morning ritual. We use it to connect with friends and family, share our thoughts and experiences, and stay up to date on the latest news and trends. It's a powerful tool that brings the world closer together. But as much as we love social media, it's important to remember that it can also be a goldmine for cyber criminals. They are always on the lookout for any piece of information they can exploit. We often share a lot of personal information on social media, our names, our locations, our birthdays, and sometimes even more sensitive details. Our travel plans, even our political views. These details might seem harmless, but they can be used against us in various ways. Hackers can use the information we share on social media to target us with phishing scams, tricking us into revealing even more personal information. This can lead to identity theft or even real-world stalking. The consequences can be severe and long-lasting. Review your privacy settings regularly, limit the amount of personal information you share publicly, and be mindful of what you post. Be wary of connecting with people you don't know. Not everyone online has good intentions, and it's better to be cautious. Remember, when it comes to social media, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Protect yourself and your information, and enjoy the benefits of social media responsibly. Cybersecurity, it's easier than you think. So there you have it, guys, a crash course in cybersecurity. By following a few simple tips and staying vigilant online, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim of cybercrime. Remember, it's all about being proactive, staying informed, and taking those extra steps to protect yourself and your digital life. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and implement these tips, share them with your friends and family, and let's make the digital world a safer place for everyone. That's it for today's video. Hopefully you found it helpful, and maybe even learned a thing or two about staying safe in our increasingly digital world. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. And hey, I want to hear from you. Which cybersecurity tip are you going to implement first? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe, stay secure, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.